preparation before spraying. Topcoat painting is a process in which a layer of paint coating is sprayed onto body panel. In addition to protecting the car from corrosion and damage, the paint coating can also improve the appearance of the vehicle by color and luster, and the results of the painting job directly affect the appearance of the vehicle. This film will introduce the basic process of solid color coating applying. In the following, we will explain the basic operation of the whole topcoat painting steps, including preparation before topcoat painting, spraying work base, whole panel spraying, and transition repair spraying. Prior to topcoat spraying, relevant preparations shall be carried out. Finish baking room cleaning, paint coating mixing, technician air purging, vehicle air purging, panel surface degreasing, panel surface cleaning, and paint filling. The steps will be explained in sequence in the following. Finish baking room cleaning. Residual dust in the spraying room will lead to coating defects such as particles and dust spots. Clean the interior of the vehicle before it is moved into the spray booth to remove all dirt and dust. Turn on the finish baking room. If the floor structure allows water spraying, spray water onto the floor to remove all dust and prevent dust from floating in the air. Remove all dust attached to the walls using an air-blowing gun. Paint mixing. Follow the manufacturer's instruction for mixing ratio and type of diluent. Select the appropriate products depending on the size of the area of panels to be sprayed and the temperature and humidity inside the baking room. Firstly, add curing agent. Some curing agents shall be mixed as per weight ratio. Others shall be mixed according to volume ratio. Add accurate amount of curing agents and conduct stirring. And select a suitable diluent according to the temperature inside the finished baking room before you continue stirring. Self-cleaning. Before spraying, the whole body of operator shall be clean with dust-blowing gun so as to remove the dust or dirt adhering to the clothes. During spraying, staffs shall wear special anti-static working clothes to reduce the problem of dust spots. Panel air purging. Before or after a vehicle is moved into the spraying room, blow air to the surface of panels to be sprayed and the surrounding area using a dust-blowing gun. Set the air pressure to a higher value than the spraying pressure, and blow dust out of the surface and gaps of the panels with care. Panel surface degreasing. First, spray degreasing agent to the panel surface using a sprinkling can. Wipe off the degreasing agent using a clean rag before it is evaporated. Never fail to wipe off the degreasing agent before it is evaporated. If it is already evaporated before wiping off is performed, oil stain or grease particles will remain on the panel surface, and defects, like fish eyes, will occur on the sprayed surfaces. Panels to be sprayed with water-based paint shall be cleaned with degreasing agent designed for water-based paint. Spray degreasing agent using a sprinkling can and clean the panels as per a wet, dry method with care. Repeat the step many times to degrease the entire coating surface. Panel surface cleaning. Remove dust from the panel surfaces using adhesive dust cloth so as to remove all dust and dirt. Dirt and debris can hardly be removed if a dirty adhesive dust cloth, free of any resin component, is used. Before you use a new adhesive dust cloth, make sure to fold it once. Fully unfold and gently fold the new adhesive dust cloth to make it soft and easier to remove dirt. If the adhesive dust cloth is not soft and the panels are wiped with excessive force, the resin component will adhere to the coating surface and may cause problems such as fisheyes. Paint filling. Thoroughly mix the blended paint and pour the mixture into the gun can through a filter screen so as to remove all debris or foreign matters till the level reaches 70 to 80% of the capacity of the gun can. Excessive paint filling will cause leakage from the gun can. Water-based paint shall be filtered with a 125 micron filter screen. Conclusion. Finally, through the introduction and study of the above contents, we hope that you can muster the work contents of preparation before spraying and can apply and improve them in actual practice.